This is a 12 volt, 100 amp hour lithium ion lifetime battery. If you guys haven't made the switch over to lithium, I highly suggest it, man. It's a night and day difference. I've had this brand on my boat for about a year now. You want to know the best thing about lithiums is this right here. Yeah, I can lift it with one hand. Super simple. This one is actually Bluetooth connected, so you can, there's a QR code right here on the top of the battery. From an app on your phone, you can see the actual charge level and how much run time you have left in these. So I've been running 3 of them on my boat now for a year. 0 issues, no issues whatsoever. There's one. A little offshore. Decent little fish. That one swam away with it. First one, a mini.